The bear's presence in popular culture reflects a complex relationship with humanity, symbols of both the untamed wilderness and cautionary tales of aggression. In festivals around the globe, bears inspire awe and reverence, celebrating their majestic nature while also reminding us of our responsibility to coexist. Each encounter with a bear can evoke laughter, fear, or reflection, illustrating our diverse perceptions of these magnificent creatures. As we glean insights from them, we begin to understand that they are more than just powerful animals. They embody resilience and adaptability, qualities we can all aspire to in our rapidly changing world. Bear encounters can be comical, yet they also provoke a deeper conversation about conservation and respect for wildlife. For instance, when a curious bear wanders into a campsite, rummaging through coolers and scattering supplies, laughter often ensues, but it also highlights the fine line between humans and wild animals. These moments remind us of the vital role bears play in their ecosystems and the importance of maintaining a safe distance. As we navigate the complexities of our coexistence, these stories resonate, pushing us to advocate for natural habitats and ensure future generations can share similar whimsical experiences. In the tapestry of nature, bears serve as guardians, bridging the divide between wilderness and humanity. Their playful antics remind us of the joy found in life, even amidst challenges. As we marvel at videos of bears gracefully sliding down playground slides or lounging in hot tubs, we are invited to reconsider our approach to wildlife. Such encounters offer a glimpse into their playful yet profound existence, beckoning us to appreciate these creatures not just in moments of grandeur, but also in the everyday, where their spirit shines. It's crucial to recognize that while bears entertain and inspire, they also symbolize the intricate relationships within our ecosystems, urging a conscious effort to protect their habitats. In fostering an environment where bears can thrive, we inadvertently safeguard the health of our shared planet. Embracing this responsibility elevates our connection with wildlife and enriches our own narrative in the natural world, ensuring the legacy of bears continues for generations to come. Bear behavior often teeters between the amusing and the awe-inspiring, inviting us to appreciate their intelligence and problem-solving skills. For instance, consider how mother bears teach their cubs essential survival skills, demonstrating care and nurture amidst a backdrop of wildness. Observing these interactions allows us to glimpse the emotional depth of these creatures. Their bonds mirror our own familial connections. As we witness their playful explorations and cautious approaches to new situations, we're reminded that there is beauty in their vulnerability as well as their strength, further highlighting the need for their conservation in an ever-evolving world. Ultimately, our understanding of bears transcends mere fascination. It reflects our interdependence with nature. By embracing the stories they share and the lessons they teach, we not only protect them, but also nurture our own relationship with the wild. Together, we can ensure that the legacy of bears endures, enriching life on Earth for all. Subscribe to Tale of Tales, because every animal has a story worth sharing. And some are hilarious too.